Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the crushed or cubed ice auger solenoid in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a large flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a 1/8 inch punch, a 9/32 inch socket, needle nose pliers, and a hammer. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and pull out the ice bucket. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the ice wire harness cover. With the screw unthreaded, you can pull the cover straight out to remove. Depress the tabs to disconnect the wire harness connector. Next, unthread the screw securing the lower ice maker cover. Use the large flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to release the cover. Use the screwdriver to help detach the refrigerant tubing from the bottom of the ice maker. Now depress the retaining tab at the top and pull the ice maker assembly forward and down to remove. This may require some effort. Next, use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to disconnect the auger wire harness connector. Insert the large flathead screwdriver under the auger motor assembly retaining clip, then rotate to lift up the clip. You can now pull the assembly out. Next, unthread the screw securing the fan and heater housing. Lift the housing up and slide back to release. Unthread the screw securing the solenoid bracket cover. Use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the 3 tabs to release the cover. Now unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the solenoid. Unthread the screws securing the grounding wire as well. Pull the old solenoid free and disconnect the wire connector. Lift the plunger up and twist to remove. Position the plunger so the retaining pin is over the 9/32 inch socket and use the 1/8 inch punch and the hammer to partially knock out the pin. You can use the needle nose pliers to fully remove the pin, if necessary. To install the new crushed or cubed ice auger solenoid, insert the new plunger into the bracket. align the retaining pin and use the hammer to knock in the pin. Align the bracket tabs with the slots in the cover. Next, connect the wire connector to the new solenoid terminals. Insert the plunger into the solenoid, then fully position the solenoid in the cover. Thread the two mounting screws. Thread the screw to secure the grounding wire as well. Keeping the wires secure in the slot, realign and snap the solenoid bracket cover into place. Rethread the mounting screw. Reposition the fan and heater housing and thread the screw to secure. Realign the ice auger motor assembly in the housing and push it back until it locks into place. Connect the auger wire harness connector. Reposition the ice maker assembly in the housing so the refrigerant tubing feeds through the space between the ice maker tray and the hinged lower cover. Then align the slots on the housing mounting posts and push back until the assembly is fully seated. Press the refrigerant tubing into place under the tray and close the cover. Rethread the screw to secure the cover. Connect the ice wire harness connector and secure all wiring behind the clips. Realign the tabs on the wire harness cover with the slots in the ice maker housing and push the cover straight back. Thread the screw to secure. Replace the ice bucket. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.